What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, I bought a truck. Give you a sneak peek right there. Ooh. I bought that truck that won the thing. I'll give you another sneak peek. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I bought that. So, here's the reveal. Boom! Spent $4 on this thing. Bigfoot. I had to do some adjustments because the tires were too big, and I changed the tires on them. Yeah, I just made this video. Got a new truck to join the pack. Next video will be part 5, the Barn Find Building series. So, I'll see you guys in that video. Peace.